Good morning, my friends. This is Ian at Buildabizonline, and today it is beta testing day for the new traffic ads. Now, when you log into your members area, you will see this. Okay, so all you need to do to earn credits is click on one of the ads just here. These are not the actual ads. I'll probably try and get the programmer to do that, but just click on any one of these and it will take you to the surfing page or where you can view any ads that are available at the moment. Now, if you want to add your ads, then you simply do this. Now, these are the few that I've got. I prefer to add a 468 times 60 as opposed to this, because what it tends to do is squash the page up a little bit, so that's good. Right, let's have a look now. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm just doing a build, a biz, oops, go back in. Online test, okay, just to show you good people. Let's capitalize that. And I'm going to put the URL of the program that I want to promote. And this is it. Okay, now then, it says there that I've got 2,463 credits. Now, if I was to click on that, it would add all of those credits. So only put the credits in that you want. So I'm going to put 50 on that. And then we're going to preview it and it will do a check. Okay, it loves Buildabizonline. So the frame breaker test it's passed. So if you can see your ad, you're good to go. So you can proceed to the next. So what we need is a banner. So let me go, I'm going to click on there, and then I'm going to right click on there and click there, because this is where our banners are. And I'm going to put this one in there. So I'm going to copy or simply right click over the top, and then where are we? Copy image link just there. I'm going to click on that so it's out of the way. Paste that in there. Now, and then we're going to add a description. So let's just go here. Pinch something from our, let's grab that, see if we can add that amount. Because there is, I've got to alter that. That's crazy. That should be 40 to 60 characters, not a 4.8. Never mind. Right, your traffic has been, and then what I've got to do now, I've got to verify them. Okay, so let me just do that 1 second. Okay, so this is what it looks like within the admin area. So all I would do then, I'll check through it, click on the link, see if it's okay, and all the checkers are pretty good, so I would probably just approve it. Okay, now what we should see now, let's close that down. Let's go back home, click on this link again, and what we should see down the bottom, because these are all the ads that I've got on, we should see them there. It would be good, I've asked the programmer if we can have these side by side instead of scrolling all the way down. So what it says is exactly what I did. I added a 468 times 60 banner. Let's have a look now. I added 50 credits. Nobody's surfed yet, so there's none used. And the credits available, then it's still 50. Okay, now what I can do is click on edit and edit this, or I can delete it. We can do that with everyone. And what tends to happen if you delete it, you will get your credits back. Okay, so that's it, simple. Then all you do then to surf is go back to the members area and click on any of these. Okay, now at the moment, because we're in beta, not many people. I've surfed all the ones that have been added. Okay, so there's no more ads left. So we're not going to go. We're not going to keep surfing the same ads all the time. Okay, so I could alter that if you think it needs altering, but I think I like it this way at the minute. So you need to keep on adding some ads. Okay, my friends. Right. That's it for now. So bye. I shall just upload this video now. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. Any questions, please let me know by clicking this link down the bottom. Okay. So bye for now.